I would sit over there if I were you to do it, so you have a different angle. That way you give me something different. This is already gonna... So I'm going to push the liquid from the middle. I'm going to do the same process in the smaller areas, but I'm going to try to be kind of close maybe, because I don't think I'm going to push it so far. And then I try to sweep it along the line as long as it looks like it's not bleeding over. Then I feel like I can just smooth out any of this other stuff so it doesn't give me any streaks. You know what I mean? And then all you're seeing is a color in the wood. You'll still see... It's just the ink. Add to the... This isn't... This is... In terms of painting, this isn't a challenge. What's a challenge is the fact that my dog is underneath the table smacking me with the ball trying to get me to play fetch. Which, I love my dog, but I'm going to take that ball here in a minute. So far, we're doing okay. I'm like, can you see how I'm trying to take some of them streaks out and stuff? So it's just like a smooth color. But you still see the grain. Like that's actually, it's a maple. This wood, so that's a natural streak in the wood. At first, I thought, oh, I marred it somehow, but no, not at all. I mean, it's wood, so if it isn't marred, it will be, and. Wood is chosen before design, so the significance of wood and the value of it, even though it's weird. It's a terrible building material, but it's very adored. You see how that there's you don't lose any of the grain really, not unless you want to. You go darker with it or whatever. That's a oops there, but it doesn't really actually matter. As far as going over the lines in this particular piece, it doesn't.
The cameraman is being assaulted.
Yeah, I know. I was a minute ago. The other dog was. Oh, she came to you, right? Nice, nice, good girl. No, not really. Just sit. Tell her sit. Don't say her name or anything, or she'll get her SAG card. I'm pretty sure. I don't want to have to deal with a rock star in the house or whatever. Drama princess actress that I have to pay a lot of money because she's now in my videos, and she's a big star. Look, about halfway, huh? How's my time? How much time have I?
5 minutes just started.
Shut it off.
Shut it off?
Yeah, I'm going to edit it anyway, but you'll have enough of it. It's from a different angle, and I can edit it with whatever comes out of this. If I like it better than the same footage, you know what I mean, it'll be the one I use. But it gives me something to at least look at. And I can actually use it for a different spot, too. Like if I want to use this for my YouTube video, and I want to use yours for Facebook, I can do that. I'm going to move now the blocks, because... What I was going to say is, like the line, how I'm going right up to the line right there, that's not the line I can't go over. I can go over that line. I can't go over this line into that area. That's no man's land for this ink. Because that I want to be green. And it's not that this would inherently ruin it, but it'll make it so challenging because I'll have a spot where that ink is there and it's not everywhere unless I cover the whole thing with this ink in order to make it match right. Because ink is transparent, unlike paint. But that's going to be the secret of this picture. I'm going to start with ink and go to paint. Yeah, because I thought at first I didn't understand the problem was partly because like I said, I can go over that line. That's not really. I want to try to keep streaks out. There's one thing. I haven't done enough research, and I told my friend that. I go, well, I understand geometry, and I understand paints and stains and all that, and I kind of know what I want to do, but like as to whether I introduce something that didn't exist in whatever the year is supposed to be, I'm not real sure about that. I want to say it's probably 12 or 1300. I can ask him. You could actually.
Oh, shoot. That was close.
He'll tell us right now. Well, if we get him, if not, I'll leave a message and say, hey.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hey, I was going to ask you, your persona, the name isn't what my question is, but I was going to ask you, what year is it supposed to be? Is that part of the persona, isn't it? You have actually pick a year. What year did you pick? All right, bye. You got it all bad right there. But I gotta get for sure up to the line. That little stuff over it doesn't really mean that. And I gotta make sure that I'm